calculator is bottle bioassay calculator. And so the bottle bioassay calculator has all of the bottle bioassays that have been done by other agencies in your state as well. We really want to share this information and make sure that folks know where the resistance is in the state and if it's nearby them, what to start expecting. Great. This is the one that I added earlier today that we did together. So what you can do for your calculator is you want to select which bottle bioassays you want to add. So you can select those. When I first was doing this, I was wondering why they weren't checking. They're being sent down here. So they're checked down here for what you've actually selected. So let's just select some random ones in here. Whatever, doesn't really matter for our purposes right now. Okay, so we've selected these tests. And then we're going to click calculate. So our output is again a sort of spreadsheet style. It's telling us the knockdown at, the mean knockdown at 50, or sorry, the time at which 50% of the mosquitoes were knocked down, and then 95, and then what that looks like over time. You can also view this on a graph, which is a lot easier to read, and you'll recognize this graph looks really similar to what we saw on VectorSurf maps for our resistance map. So this is a way for you to get those bottle bioassay outputs for your reports or whatever you may need them for. Again, the way we read this is that, this amount of mosquitoes were knocked down by this amount of time. So for these two up here, they got knocked down pretty quickly, meaning they're pretty susceptible to those insecticides. And then these are maybe a little less susceptible. I have not done bottle bioassays, and I truthfully don't know too much about reading these graphs, but these are obviously worse than these, but seemingly still somewhat susceptible. They're not all surviving for very long.